Welcome to Rosh Media. My name is Rosh. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a playlist on YouTube. Now, here is a list of playlists from my front page of my YouTube channel. And I want to select the process list because I don't want it here anymore. It only has one video in it, not worth keeping. So what I need to do is go to my YouTube studio and click on playlists. Then I can search for the playlist that I want. There it is. Click on the pencil icon. If you wish to just unlist the playlist, you can go here and click unlist, or you can make it private. Or you can click on these three dots right here and go all the way down to the bottom and select delete playlist. And then once you click delete, of course, your playlist will be gone and it cannot be undone. Hey, if you have questions, put them in the comments below.